In today's video, we are discussing SeaChange International, ticker symbol SEAC, a $2 penny stock that has experienced extreme movements over the previous year and recent days. Now let's discuss whether this stock is one to consider holding on to for a longer term investment and that potential huge run-up in price. SeaChange is a leading supplier of video delivery software solutions. In this review, we will look at what sent SeaChange stock up more than 100% on March 29th and a slide back of 30% the next day. We will also discuss the stock's profitability, analyst ratings for this stock, resistance levels in SEA stock charts, and any concerns about the stock's shares that are shorted. Keep in mind that penny stocks are volatile and highly risky, but a smaller amount can soar massively on good news or with an increase in product market penetration. But this is not financial advice. This is Lynn with 60 Perfect, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So let's go and review today's hot stock. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you like today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Here we are looking at SeaChange International's Yahoo Finance Snapshot, first from March 29th, indicating a price at the close of $2.08, a 100% increase, and another increase after hours to a price of $2.63, another 20% increase. You will note the 52-week price range from a low of 69 cents to a high of $3.79, and the average trading volume of 1.8 million shares per day that increased to a massive 351 million on the 29th. What caused this massive spike in price on March 29th? Note the SeaChange article published on March 29th at 4:30 a.m. announcing their landing of a multi-million-dollar contract with one of the largest broadband services providers in the U.S. that had been a customer for the past 15 years. Then the stock fell back in price on the next day, as reflected in this March 30th Yahoo Finance Profile screenshot, to a price of $1.42, this time on a volume of 44 million shares. Obviously, the stock, like most penny stocks, is very sensitive to the latest news. This fallback in price is likely reflected in the SeaChange article published on March 30th, announcing a public offering of 10 million shares at a price of $1.85 per share. This would dilute the stock held by current shareholders and obviously brought down the former price of over $2 per share. If you are considering holding this stock for the long term, you should be aware of the Simply Wall Street article from March 18th announcing that the SeaChange stock had bled a value of 74% over the last 5 years. This is despite the share price increase of 72% over the previous quarter. A 10-second look at SeaChange website explains that their video delivery software solutions power hundreds of cloud and on-premise video delivery platforms. They have over 50 million subscribers worldwide. Their solution is available as a product or managed service deployed on premises, in the cloud, or as a hybrid. The Finviz profile for SeaChange shows a market cap of 80 million for this company, making it a smaller microcap company, and reflects the earnings per share this year as 77%, with next year's EPS projected as an increase of 41%. But the earnings per share quarter over quarter were down 75%. Insiders own less than 1% of the stock, with institutions own it 23%. The short float ratio for the stock was a low 2%, as reflected here on March 29th. The only analyst projections for this stock that I could find were from Finviz, reflecting buy and neutral opinions of this stock and target prices of $3 to $4.50, but these are older projections for this stock. Now let's take a quick look at SeaChange's stock charts and levels of price resistance. The 2-year stock chart shows a more recent slide down in price until the run-up on March 29th, and upper levels of price resistance at $2.90 and $3.50. The 3-day stock chart from March 29th reflected a high of $2.76. If you found value in this video, if you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear about any other penny stocks that you are liking right now. Do keep in mind that you will need to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. This video is for entertainment only. I'm thrilled that you made it through this video and review, and now make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, as I have more videos on the way like this one. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!